Good day. My name is Yesril Marie M. Hembrador, and I will be doing a video demonstration of my laboratory 3 circuit. So here we have the first push button, which is the forward button. Here we have the second push button, which is the reverse button. So the first goal of this circuit is that uh, when the first push button is pressed, it changes the color of the RGB LED in accordance to a sequence. So the sequence would be from red to green, blue, teal, purple, orange, white, red, and the cycle repeats again. So as you can see, we have the color red, which is the starting sequence. Then once you press the first push button, it's now green. It's green. And then when we press again, it is now blue. Then again, it's now teal. And then again, it's purple. And then orange. This is orange. And then white. So now, when we press the first push button again, it goes back to the red, which is the starting sequence. So now next, when the second push button is pressed, it changes the color of the RGB LED reverse to that of the sequence of the first push button. So the initial color should be red. However, if the RGB is already in a certain color, example blue, it simply changes to green to red. So now we are starting from the red color, and then we're going to push this reverse button or the second push button. It will now be white. This is white. And then orange. And then purple, teal, blue, green, and back to red. So that's it. So that's it for my video demonstration. Thank you.